The dog days of summer are here. Time to cool off with refreshing beverages and tasty recipes. Celebrity chef Gwen is here now to show us how we can keep cool while we enjoy entertaining family and friends. Hi, Chef Jamie.
Chef Gwen here. You heard it here first. This is the first of its kind. Joyba is a ready-to-drink bubble tea that offers a refreshing, unique infusion of fruit tea and popping boba, allowing you to enjoy it anytime, anywhere. It's a great alternative to sodas and energy drinks, and I like that Joyba is made without artificial flavors or sweeteners. It gives you a little burst of joy in every sip. This is my go-to summer recipe. Antipasta skewers are so quick to prep. I simply combine meats, cheeses, and fresh basil with delicious pearls, black ripe olives, 100% grown and packed in sunny California and picked at the peak of freshness. You can add them to so many delicious meals. Another favorite pantry staple of mine is a Thanos feta. I added it to this easy feta pasta salad for creamy, tangy taste. And I put it on everything from tacos to pizza. It's even delicious on a burger. A Thanos feta is the #1 feta in America, and it comes either crumbled or chunk. And it adds that new twist to meals that the whole family will love. And for an easy, delicious, and healthy way to beat the heat, I reach for Good Pops organic freezer pops. They're a better for you take on the classic popsicle made from 100% fruit juice and fruit puree, no added sugar, no artificial ingredients. I like that they're shelf stable, so I keep them on hand and I throw them in the freezer for a refreshing treat. Good Pops is also a good company that's giving back, so check them out. For more information and recipes, visit dailylounge.com. Back to you.
Thanks, Jamie, for keeping us cool.